Hi, lovely people. So, today I'm going to teach you how to do your own homemade air refreshener at home. Okay, so I'll go ahead and leave the ingredients on the screen. So, make sure you get yourself a container. You get any container that has a lid. Okay, then you create some holes on the lid. So, I'll welcome you to Dr. Rose's kitchen. So, I'll go ahead and grate my lime or lemon. Okay, so I'll grate them and then I would put everything together. So I'll put my sea salt in my container, the air refreshener container, and then I'll add the grated lime or lemon, the two. I'll add it together, and then I'll add my cloves. Yes, if you have star anise, you can add it to it. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and pour my favorite fabric softener to it, and then mix it very very well, and that's all. You have your homemade air refreshener, so you can put this on your toilet, dining hall, kitchen, anywhere that you want. It has an amazing fragrance. Okay, so try this. Thank you. Bye.